Oh dear, you guys. There's deer right there. Look at him. He's on the road. Look at him. Hey, hey. He's out there. And then you got two more deer here. You see these two deer? Oh dear! There's a deer over here. Maybe he left. But you get the idea about that deer over there. But you got these, you got this deer. Oh my, get out. Oh dear. Oh boy, oh dear. What do we have here? Oh no, oh dear, oh boy. Get out. This is deer.
How long? 10 minutes.
Huh?
10 minutes driving.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 minutes. I could drive the car for 10 minutes and boom, the light would come.
But that one was 13 minutes. 13 minutes I think was the longest, right? Oh, my, folks. We gotta get close here. This nature. Neighbor's nature. Because this is my neighbor's nature. But I was at my house filming it. But we gotta get close to this nature. This foreseen nature. Because everyone loves a little bit of some nature, you know, like if there was. Oh boy, look at that dude. I was looking at those. Is that another deer there? We got a 4-bagger up in this party. Oh boy. A 4-bagger up. This party's getting a little bit too hardy. Okay. Let's see what you guys can step it up with. Okay. Oh boy. You guys came to play today. Didn't see that coming. Oh boy, good lord. Look at him. Hi. Sort of friend. Look, this camera show there's a butterfly. No, it's 4. Hi. Oh, hi. Okay, dear. No, don't you run away from me. Oh, you bastard. No. You ran away from me. You research engines. I'm gonna research this engine. We're going. Too scary, I guess. Look at that sky. Oh boy. What a nice sky view. Oh my, good lord. Back to the deer. We have vehicle, we have trouble. We have trouble. The vehicle has right. And they're all just dancing. Alright, well, it's nice seeing you, dear. Oh, dear! They're still hopping and jumping in there. We're looking at the car coming by. Oh, boy. Much of the squeaking is happening there. Oh. Well, sure the deer are doing, but that's the end of this episode. Oh, dear! It was nice seeing you guys, but you know, I have to go. Watching the Fever and the Tempo, and the Fever is winning by a big margin. So, thanks for coming. Thanks for doing your job. You're animal actors or animal assholes. Can't believe I had to read those engines up this bitch. Alright. Well, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. And I'll see you on the next Neighbors Nature episode, folks. So, thanks for watching. Comment, leave a like, hit that bell so you're notified. Subscribe. See you later, folks.